Hey, this is Sell This Now. Every day I'm looking for new products to sell. So here's my top winning products of the day. Our next product is the Universe Ring. What if we told you that you can wear the entire universe on your finger? Would you believe us? This 16th century design ring unfolds into an astronomical sphere. This ring consists of 3 rings, each representing the celestial equator, declination, and the meridian. When closed, it represents everlasting love and abundance. When open, it represents the entire universe. This spectacular ring is engraved with zodiac signs, and it can be worn in 2 ways: as a ring or used as a pendant on your necklace. The Facebook ad was created on the 30th of March and has received more than 1,800 likes, and we can notice that it's a simple image ad. Now, the selling price of the Universe Ring is just under $22, whereas the product cost is only $2. Shipping will set you back $3.05, so you're looking at a very good profit margin of $16.94. Sell this now! Our next product is the Twisting Fitness Balance Board. Now, this can be taken to the gym or used at your desk. It can perform both left and right, front and back, stretching and circular drilling. It improves balance, coordination and flexibility while balancing and coordinating core areas of the body. And it's a perfect balance training and basic stability exercise. When using this board, the non-slip surface adds grip. The circular base allows tilting and 360-degree rotation. And the fitness and yoga niches will love it, especially right before summer. And finally, the Facebook ad has received a few hundred likes. Now, the selling price for the Twisting Fitness Balance Board is just under $40, whereas the product cost is only $5.67. Shipping will set you back $16.97, so you're looking at a very good profit margin of $17.35. Sell this now! Are you struggling to find products in your niche? Good news! In 2021, SellThisNow.com is becoming a product research engine. And the best part is that it's 100% free. Now you can easily sort all the products that have been featured on our channel. Find the AliExpress link, the product page, and even the Facebook ad. New products are being added every day, so stay tuned. Go visit SellThisNow.com and find hundreds of winning products now. Our next product is the High Power Music Barrel Bluetooth Speaker. This is a premium high power portable Bluetooth speaker, built with a ridiculously powerful 15-watt subwoofer to literally turn heads and get everyone's attention wherever you go, wherever you're playing music or enjoying karaoke with your families and friends. There are 3 speakers built into this monster, 2 of which are full frequency speakers and the other a high powered dual woofer. It's massive in power and compact in size at over a foot long, suitable for who loves music and loves having a great time. It takes seconds to set up and is extremely easy to operate even if you don't know how to use Bluetooth. It has a high perceived value and the profit margin is more than $25. And finally, the Facebook ad has received more than 18,000 likes. Now, the selling price for the High Power Music Barrel Bluetooth speaker is just under $60, whereas the product cost is only $34.05. Shipping is completely free, so you're looking at an excellent profit margin of $25.94. Sell this now! Our next product is the Artificial Rose Solar Garden Light. Decorate your garden with these artificial rose lights. Bring a kind of eternal vitality to your garden. Let you enjoy the glamorous light in the evening. You can search far and wide and never find another illuminated garden decoration as nice as these outside solar lights. Fully powered by the sun, the accent lights automatically turn on at dusk to splash your yard with 7 cycling colors and mesmerize you with 4 changing color lily flowers. You get all this spectacle without having to deal with a single power bill. Make your outdoor space an enchanting escape with the most eye-catching color-changing rose flower light. This product was a best-selling product last year during the summer season. And finally, the Facebook ads have got a lot of likes but not a lot of shares and comments. Now the selling price of the artificial rose solar garden lights is just under $30, whereas the product cost is only $6.49. Shipping will set you back $4.63, so you're looking at a very good profit margin of $18.87. Sell this now! Our next product is the Native American 3D printed outfit. Now this is perfect for yoga, workout, pilates, running, hiking, or just casual wear. It features a special high-definition heat dye application that ensures long-lasting color vibrancy even after machine washing. It's made with spandex and polyester, and each product is individually printed, and you can upsell the matching leggings. And finally, the Facebook ad is getting a lot of engagement right now with more than 13,000 likes. Now the selling price for the Native American 3D printed outfit is just under $38, whereas the product cost is only $20.87. Shipping will set you back $1.46, so you're looking at a good profit margin of $15.66. Sell this now! Our next product is the BIKER'S Blessing engraved pendant. Now this has been grafted from tough as a biker stainless steel. It features a sculpted bike and cross against a hand enameled jet black background on the front. Etched on the back is the biker's motto, "Ride hard, live free," with a cross, while etched around the sides are words from the powerful BIKER'S Blessing. Raised corner rivets and a bail in the shape of a motorcycle tire, which holds a 24-inch stainless steel bike chain, complete the look. Each pendant comes in a jewelry pouch and gift box, along with a specially prepared BIKER'S Blessing card. And finally, the Facebook ad has received more than 16,000 likes. Now the selling price for the BIKER'S Blessing engraved pendant is just under $22, whereas the product cost is only $1.95. Shipping will set you back $3.34, so you're looking at a very good profit margin of $16.70. Sell this now! With the current situation going on in the world right now, everyone is always asking me where to find US and EU suppliers. Have you ever heard of Spocket? Spocket is a top-rated Shopify app for that purpose. Spocket allows you to choose the best products to sell from thousands of dropshipping suppliers all over the world. It will allow you to get faster deliveries, which means more satisfied customers, less chargebacks, and more cash for you. Don't take my word for it. Go check yourself and you'll see. Click the link in the description of this video to try Spocket for free for 14 days. Our next product is the Natural Stone Beads Wolf Bracelet. This premium designed and handcrafted natural stone bracelet is from the Wolf energy realm. This wolf head bracelet is a single layered bracelet made to adore your street outfit and spiritual aura. Made of natural stones, this bracelet has an immaculate finishing and shine to grab eyeballs of the audience. Made of high quality alloy and gallstone beads, this wolf bracelet is such an attention grabber. It brings closer wolf energy spirits to the wearer. Unleash your instincts with this beautiful piece of wonder bracelet. Bracelets are very good winning products. One size fits all, easy to store, cheap to send, it has a high perceived value, and it will give you a good profit margin. And finally, the Facebook ad has received more than 23,000 likes. Now the selling price for the Natural Stone Beads Wolf Bracelet is just under $24. Whereas the product cost is only $3.11. Shipping will set you back $2.63, so you're looking at a very good profit margin of $18.25. Sell this now! Our next product is the SPIROGRAPH Geometric Ruler Set. Now this is a cool product with a wow effect. It allows you to create countless amazing spirographs. It provides hours of fun as well as training artistic imagination and building geometry intuition. It features 15 wheels and 4 shape wheels in all new unique shapes, as well as 2 rings and 1 rack. It falls under the arts, kid, DIY niche market. And we also think that this item has a broad market base, and it's a proven seller on AliExpress with many orders. And the Facebook ad has received more than 4,200 likes and hundreds of comments. Now the selling price for the Spirograph geometric ruler set is just under $18, whereas the product cost is only $1.05. Shipping will set you back $4.51, so you're looking at a good profit margin of $12.43. Sell this now! Thanks for watching. Now if you like this video and you got some value watching it, subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell as I release one video every day with my selection of winning products. You don't want to miss that. Let me know in the comment which product did well for you, and see you tomorrow for another episode of Sell This Now.